Right, we're going to look at simplifying algebraic expressions. So something like this, if you've got 3a plus 2a minus a. So that we all know there's a little plus in front of that, although they don't write it, and there's a 1 in front of that. Now I've got three terms, so look at this carefully. So listen to the language. First term, second term, and third term. Right. So what I tend to do whilst I'm learning, I tend to circle these. So let me just stick a minus a so it's easy to see. Right, they're all of type A, so I can add them and subtract them as normal arithmetic, yeah, as normal numbers. So I've got 3a plus 2a, so I'm doing this in my head, which is 5a, and then I take away 1a. So if I take away 1a, I've got 5, take away 1, it's 4. So my answer is 4a. Now, if I had this 3a squared plus 4a plus a plus 2a. Now, if you notice, I've got 4 terms. So there's a plus there and there's a 1 there. So I've got 4 terms. So let me get the mouse. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what you can do is this plus goes with this term. So I'm going to circle this. And this plus goes with this term after it. Same thing with this plus. Put it with the term after it. This is how you can look at it, yeah. This makes it much easier. And then finally I've got a plus 2a. So now you've got to be careful, so watch this very carefully. This is a squared. This is an a squared. It is not the same as an a or an a or an a. They are all a's, but this here is an a squared, so that is not alike, so I need to write that separately. Right, I've got 4a plus 2a is plus 7a. So I've got 3a squared plus 7a. A squared cannot be put together with a, so this is my final expression. I've simplified it. Right, let me leave you with some questions. Right, okay, I want you to try these. They're all the same type, yeah, they're all alike. So give this a bash and I'll put the answers up. So this is what we've got for the answers. These are quite simple. Right, we're going to do something with a squareds and a's mixed now, and numbers. So let's get this right. I'll do some questions for you now. Right, okay. Just have a look at this, pause this and give it a go. And then what I'll do is I'll go through the answers with this. Right, okay, let's look at this. So you know there's a 1 there and there's a plus there. There's a 1 there and there's a 1 there. And what we do is we circle that. We circle this plus with this 1x, and let me get the mouse, that plus with that term after it, okay? So now this is what we've got. We've got 3 terms. We've got one x squared term, one x term, and another x term. Remember what we said, x squared cannot mix with x because they are not alike. So our answer is x squared. 1x plus another x is 2x. So it's plus 2x. Right, let's move on to the next one. So we've got a positive here, we've got a 1 there, 1 there, and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 terms. An x term, x squared term, an x term, and an x term. And we cannot put x squared together with these x's, so let's write this one first. So we can say equals x squared. So just watch this. Can you see there's a plus here and there's a 1 there? I could put plus 1x squared, but I don't need to, because everybody knows that x squared is the same as positive 1x squared. So right now I've got positive 7x, add 1x is 8x, and then take away 1x is 7x again, and it's a positive 7x because we're on plus 7x. So just remember that 7x add x is 8x, add 1 take away 1x, subtract 1x is 7x. Right, let's go through this final one. I know there's a plus here and there's a 1 there. I know there's a 1 there, and I know there's a 1 there. So have you noticed I've got an x squared and an x squared? I can put them together. So I've got 1x squared plus another 1x squared. I have now got, I can write it down here, I can write equals 2 lots of x squared. And what does 2x squared means? It simply means 2 times x squared. Right. I've got a 2a and I've got a plus 1a. So because they're both alike, these are both alike, they're both a's, I can add them together. So 2a plus 1a is plus 3a. Now finally, I've got plus 7 plus 3, because they're both alike, they're just simply numbers. So I can do the normal arithmetic. 7 plus 3 is 10. So it's a positive 10, so plus 10. That's how you can look at it. Probably the least confusing way to look at it. Right, okay. Yeah, let me do some mixed ones for you.